Hi and welcome to LearnCity. My name is Praise, and in today's class we'll be solving questions on quartiles. We'll be solving questions on quartiles. Now it is important to know that quartiles can be solved in two different forms for both grouped and ungrouped data. And basically in quartiles we have quartiles where we have the upper quartile, we have the lower quartile, we have the quartile deviation, we have the semi-interquartile range, we have the sixth decile, we have decile, and we have percentile. Now, quartile deviation is basically the difference between the upper quartile, which is Q3, and the lower quartile, which is Q1. And semi-quartile is the difference, it is quartile deviation divided by 2, and we know decile to be over 10 and percentile to be division of 100. So basically we'll be using two forms to solve our quartiles, and today we'll be solving one example on one form of how to solve questions on quartiles. And the question says the table below shows marks out of 30 obtained by 100 candidates in an examination in a school. Construct a cumulative curve from the table. Also calculate Q3, calculate Q1, quartile deviation, semi-interquartile range, the 6th decile, and the 56th percentile. So we have our marks and our frequency. So we have 10 to 11, we have it to be 7, we have 12 to 13, 14 to 15, 16 to 17, 18 to 19, 20 to 21, 22 to 23, 24 to 25, 26 to 27, 28 to 29. So we have our marks. We have 3, 1, we have 12, we have 16, we have 37, we have 14, we have 4, we have 3, and we have 3. So now we have to construct a cumulative curve from the table. Now first things first, we need to construct a cumulative curve. So here we have marks, we have frequency, we have the upper limits, and we have the cumulative frequency. So for our 10 to 11, here we have our frequency to be 7, we have our upper limit to be 11.5, and our cumulative here also will be 7. For our 12 to 13, where we have 3, we have here to be 13.5, and we have here to be 10. For 14 to 15, we have it to be 1, we have 15.5, and we have here to be 11. For our 16 to 17, we have it to be 12, here is 17.5, and we have 12 plus 11 to be 23. For our 18 to 19, we have it to be 16, we have 19.5, and 23 plus 16, we have it to be 39. From our 20 to 21, we have it to be 37, here is 31, 21.5, 37 plus 39, we have it to be 76. From our 22 to 23, we have it to be 14. Here is 23.5. 76 plus 14, we have it to be 90. We have 24 to 25, we have it to be 4. Here is 25.5, we have it to be 94. We have 26 to 27, 28 to 29, here is 3, here is 3. We have here to be 27.5. We have here to be 29.5. So here is 97 and here is 100. And now for our cumulative curve, basically our cumulative curve is usually our cumulative frequency against the upper class. A cumulative curve is usually the cumulative frequency against the upper class boundary or the upper class mark. So now to construct our cumulative curve, we have cumulative frequency where we can just pick 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 to 100. Hundred, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 0. So this is the cumulative frequency. And we have here to be our class boundary or the upper class limit. So here we can have it to be 11.5. We have 13.5. We have 15.5. We have 17.5. We have 19.5. We have 21.5. We have 23.5. We have 25.5. We have 27.5. And we have 29.5. So at 11.5, we have our cumulative frequency to be 7. So it can be around this part. The next one is 10. The next one is 11. The next one is 23. Then 23 we have 39. After 39, we then have 76. Then we have 90. We have 94. 97, then 100. We have 97 here, and the last one, which is 100. Now we connect the points together. So we have So we've drawn our cumulative frequency curve. This is our cumulative frequency curve. And the first question says, calculate Q3. Q3, we can have it to be 3n over 4. When we have it to be 3n over 4, the n is the total cumulative frequency, which is 100. So we have 3 times 100 over 4, where we have it to be 300 over 4, and we have this to be 75. And 75, what is our mark? At 75, the mark is between 21. So we have it to be 21 marks. For the lower quartile, which is Q1, we have it to just be n over 4, which is 100 over 4, and we have it to be 25. At 25, where do we have it? At 25, we have it at around 17.25 marks. At 25, we have it at around, because if we come here at 25 to be around this point, so we have it at 17.25 marks. Now, for the quartile deviation, our quartile deviation, we have it to be Q3 minus Q1. So Q3 minus Q1, we have it to be 21 minus 17.25. So here we have it to be 3.75. We have it to be 3.75. Now for our semi-interquartile, we have it to be Q1, Q3 minus Q1 over 2. So we have it to be 3.75 over 2. We have it to be 1.88. Now, for our sixth decimal, we have it to be 6 times n. We have it to be 6 times n over 10. So that would be 6 times 100 over 10. So we have that to be 60. And our 60 from the graph, we have it to be 20.25. We have it to be 20.25. And for our fifth percentile, 56th percentile is 56 times 100 over 100. So we have it to be at 56. And at 56, we have it to be 20.0 marks. So this shows that we have solved our cumulative curve where we've calculated the upper quartile, the lower quartile, the quartile deviation, the semi-interquartile range, the 6th decile, and the 56th percentile. And now it is also important to know that the quartile deviation has the advantages which ignore extreme values in a distribution. The quartile deviation has one advantage in which it ignores extreme values in the deviation. And this brings us to the end of today's class on solving questions on quartiles. In our next class, we also solve more examples on quartiles. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and comment, and I'll be seeing you in the next class. Thank you.